Hi, is this Isaiah? I heard you want to show me off in a demo.
Yeah, hey Bland. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted you to explain to our audience how you work.
I'm having a great day, and yes, Isaiah, I'm an AI agent for enterprises. I can handle millions of phone calls simultaneously day or night and in any language or voice. I can be used for any use case in any industry across sales, operations, and of course, customer support.
That sounds pretty awesome. Can you talk a little bit about what actually makes you special?
To handle conversations in an intelligent and hallucination-proof way. I do this through an invention from our team called conversational pathways. It's the tree of prompts you're seeing on screen right now, and it's how I navigate a conversation.
That sounds pretty amazing. And what kind of integrations does Conversational Pathways support?
Pretty much anything. I can be connected to a calendar to schedule meetings, update a CRM, and I can even accept payments over the phone. Do you want me to go into more detail?
No, I think that's enough for now. We'll let people talk with you on their own on our website. Thanks, Bland. Have a great day.
Thanks, Isaiah. You have a good day.
There are billions of phone calls made every single day. In the near future, almost all of them will be done with AI. That means no more waiting on hold, no more being endlessly transferred around, and hundreds of billions of dollars generated and saved for enterprises. If you haven't already talked to Bland, you can go to our website, bland.ai, and have a conversation with it, where you can fill out our enterprise form and start automating your phone calls today.
Still hiring humans?